I'm gonna go up there and take a look at what they're doing. Whoa. Oh. Maria, what are you doing?
What?
Go down into your barrel again.
Oh, no, I don't want to.
Oh. Oh, there's Maria in the barrel. Hi, Maria.
Hi.
And there's John Mark in the other barrel.
Dad,
Jim Mark. What did you find in that barrel?
what?
What was in that barrel?
Frogs.
Dead frogs. Give me the bucket.
10.
I can't reach it. Oh, lift it hard, hard, hard. I can't reach it. Okay.
Oh, Dad. Look at
I'm gonna dump this dirty water.
Dad.
Goodbye, dirty water.
Dad, tell the Mark that it's spilled all over me.
Maria, don't get it on yourself. That's all yucky water. Mom's pumping down there. Pump away, Mom. Why did we know it was time to clean these barrels?
The water was dirty.
It was stinking, wasn't it? How come?
Because of the dead frogs.
The frogs climbed all the way up here into these barrels?
And died.
There's the well down there.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy, they died.
They died in here.
Rotted.
And they started rotting.
Yeah, and stuck.
Oh, now we have to clean the water. Are you still in there? Maria!